Many people think life at sea is wrapped in mystery, but today I want to set the record straight by busting the top 3 myths about working at sea. Myth number 1: seafarers are always lonely. That's just not true. Life on board is all about teamwork, camaraderie, and building friendships that can last a lifetime. Whether it's sharing meals or swapping stories on deck, there's a real sense of community out here. Myth number 2: ships are outdated and unsafe. I hear this one a lot, but let's get real. Modern vessels are packed with cutting-edge technology and run by highly trained crews. Every ship follows strict international safety standards. Honestly, these ships are more like high-tech floating cities than anything you'd see in an old movie. Myth number 3: you lose touch with your family. In the past, sure, communication was tough, but now, with satellite connections and internet access, it's easier than ever to video call your loved ones from anywhere on the globe. Staying connected is part of daily life on board. So, don't believe the myths. The maritime world is full of opportunity, innovation, and a real sense of community. If you're curious about life at sea, there's never been a better time to explore. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next voyage.